Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing and setting this up. So right now we're just going to give you a tour around the box just in case there's something missing on the website. You guys want to see more information. It does have 3-year warranty, so we do have to highlight that. Other than that, let's just open it up. Now these bags are sealed, but for some reason when I take these out, I can see it looks like it's almost being used before. You guys see all those fingerprints? I can clean them pretty easy, but it's just odd that it already has all those scratches and almost looks used, but it was sealed. Kind of weird, kind of weird. Anyways, right here we've got more stuff. Anyways, just want to highlight that although this may look like stainless steel or any type of metal, it isn't. It's just plastic. So it is just simple plastic. Same goes as this. This is metal. This is plastic. So only one metal piece so far. This right here, finally some metal. So this is actually metal. This is also plastic. Alright, so there's a ton of plastic here from what I can see. It does have some grip marks right here, better handle. And here we have the hose. Now this feels pretty good quality. So this is also metal, that's metal. It's got this protection over it. So that's all we would get in the kit, including the instructions, which are basically right here in this little pamphlet. But anyways, right now we're just gonna get on with the installation of this. So before we do anything, let's get started with the basics. First of all, you can extend this out. That means we have to unscrew this, like so, and then just pull it out. So once we take that off, just pull it out. It's not gonna be as easy the first time you do it. It's gonna take a little bit more force than that. So there are the two pieces. And what I could do is just place this one in there, for example. As long as they're aligned, just put it in. You have to push it in, make it nice and tight, and then screw this in. So that's the length that you could choose as well. We would have to screw it the whole way in, but I want to show you something else before we keep going with that. I'm going to pull that one out. Let's say you guys want something even longer, then this would be it. So same deal, we would place this here, snap it in there, all right, and this would be an extension. So we could place this on top, so we could place this guy on top, or if you guys want something really long, then we can also place this right here. So we can do that. So you could choose how long you would like this to be. So it can be extremely long or very short or just medium size. For now, I'm just gonna put this back. So this is the smallest size that you would get. I'm gonna screw it back in. And I do wanna show you something else before we keep going. See this right here? You need this in order to take off these parts. You will notice that you have two types of sprays here. Obviously this one would be more white and this one would be more concentrated. You can change them. So you don't need to put on this medium one in order to use that. You can still use the small one, and with this head right here, we can just unscrew that. So by using this, we can just take it out. So we're gonna place that there and then unscrew it. There we go. We can take out this head and put it here and exchange that one there. Right, so if you guys have done plumbing before, usually we'd use something like this, plumber's tape. However, in this case, stay away from this. You do not need it for this setup. This can actually cause leaking if you use it with this setup. For now, let's keep going. At this point in time, we don't really need this plastic. This is gonna go right here. We're just gonna take out the plastic for now. Same thing goes with this end. Don't really need the plastic. And this is the main setup. Right now, you guys see this? You would attach this to this end. We'll see that it fits perfectly. Let's make sure it's nice and snug. Perfect. And then this end would go into your toilet. So I'll show you that later. But right now, we would take this end. So that's the other end of the hose. And this would go up to here. And we just go like this. So we just adjust it like so. So right now it's ready to be set up. So right now we can just go into our toilet and you guys will see the line that would go here, and then this would go right into your toilet's tank. Alright, so right now we're in your washroom. What you guys have to do is just close this up so no more water's running through. Grab a towel, and then this is connected to your tank. So here's my tank. You guys can see it. We're gonna go ahead and just open this up. Now there will be water coming out. Now the water that comes out will come out from here, just a little bit. It's no big deal. There shouldn't be any water coming out from here, even if you didn't empty out the tank, so don't worry about that. And right now we're just gonna take this and just set it up here. So again, we're just gonna place it there. Then you just have to twist this around until it's really tight. Obviously, to make this really tight, use both of your hands. And then we can just hook up the water. So here's the water. We're gonna hook this back up. So at this point, our connection should look like this. Just hook it up, use your hands. It's fine. And then you guys can go ahead and turn on the water. So again, just a farther away shot. We have this connection going. So go ahead and turn it on. Slowly at first. Then keep going. And if you have a shower nearby, that's where I would test it, or you can test it out in your toilet as well. So at this point, we're just gonna also turn this on the whole way. So right now it's fully on. So we are gonna go ahead and test this out. So we're just gonna turn it on. So right here it says off and then on. Just twist it. And there you go. Can't go in a really slow flow. So we can go like so. A little bit more. A little bit more. More. And then full blast. Now let's not forget about this piece. This will go here, so just lift this up. Then we're gonna place that here. Or you can go anywhere you guys like. I would just put it there. Then just put this back. So right now we can go ahead and place this like so. And that's how it's gonna stay. So here it is. That's how it's supposed to look like. You're supposed to see that extra slack there. It's okay. You could place it towards the back so you won't see it as much, but it shouldn't really get in your way. But right now you're all done, and that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.